What are the biggest mistakes drivers make every single day without realizing it? Which habits are silently destroying your engine, your transmission, and your car's electronics long before you ever see a warning light? And most importantly, what are the simple fixes that can save you thousands of dollars if you start using them today? Stay until the end of this video, because the final mistakes are the ones almost nobody talks about, and they are the most dangerous. Before we start, if you want more real automotive knowledge, hidden car features, and practical tips that actually save you money, subscribe to the channel now. And after subscribing, tell us in the comments which car you drive, because many of these mistakes affect some brands more than others. Let's be honest, most modern cars don't fail suddenly. They are slowly destroyed by small, repeated mistakes made by their owners. These mistakes feel harmless, but over time they shorten engine life, damage sensors, and create expensive failures that mechanics see every day. One of the most common mistakes is ignoring cold starts. Modern engines are efficient, but that does not mean they are invincible. When you start your car, oil has not yet fully circulated through the engine. Revving hard, accelerating aggressively, or driving at high speed immediately after startup creates excessive wear on pistons, bearings, and turbochargers. The solution is simple. Drive gently for the first few minutes. You don't need to idle for long, but you must allow the engine to warm up under light load. Another massive mistake is relying blindly on start-stop systems without understanding how they work. Start-stop technology is designed to reduce emissions, but constant engine restarts increase wear on starters, batteries, and certain engine components. In heavy traffic, letting the system constantly shut the engine off and on can actually increase long-term stress. The smart solution is learning when to disable start-stop, especially in short stop-and-go situations or when the engine has not fully warmed up. A third mistake that silently kills engines is delaying oil changes. Many drivers trust extended service intervals without realizing that oil degradation depends on driving style, climate, and traffic conditions. Short trips, cold weather, and city driving contaminate oil much faster than highway driving. Dirty oil loses its ability to protect engine components, leading to sludge buildup and premature wear. The fix is simple. Shorten oil change intervals if you drive mostly in the city or make frequent short trips. Another overlooked error is using the wrong fuel quality. Many modern engines are designed for specific octane levels. Using lower quality fuel than recommended can cause knocking, reduced efficiency, and long-term engine stress. On turbocharged engines, this problem is even worse. Always follow manufacturer fuel recommendations and avoid consistently using the cheapest fuel available. Now let's talk about driving habits that damage transmissions. One extremely common mistake is shifting from reverse to drive before the car has fully stopped. This puts enormous stress on transmission components, especially in automatic and dual clutch systems. Over time, this habit leads to rough shifts, delayed engagement, and expensive repairs. The correct habit is simple. Always come to a complete stop before changing direction. Another transmission killer is resting your foot on the brake while accelerating, especially on automatic vehicles. This causes unnecessary heat buildup and accelerates wear on brake components and transmission systems. Good driving means clear separation between braking and acceleration. Electronic systems are not immune either. Many drivers ignore warning lights or assume small alerts are not urgent. Modern cars monitor hundreds of sensors. When a warning appears, it usually means the system has detected a deviation from normal operation. Ignoring these warnings can turn a small, inexpensive fix into a major failure. The solution is scanning the vehicle as soon as possible using a diagnostic tool or professional inspection. One mistake that almost nobody talks about is shutting the engine off immediately after aggressive driving. Turbocharged engines generate extreme heat. Turning the engine off immediately after hard driving prevents oil from properly cooling the turbocharger. Over time, this causes oil coking and turbo failure. The correct approach is letting the engine idle briefly after hard driving to stabilize temperatures. Another destructive habit is driving with low fuel regularly. Modern fuel pumps rely on fuel for cooling. Driving near empty repeatedly causes overheating and premature fuel pump failure. Keeping at least a quarter tank of fuel protects the system and ensures consistent performance. Let's move to cooling systems. because overheating is one of the fastest ways to destroy an engine. Many drivers never check coolant levels, assuming modern cars don't need attention. Coolant not only controls temperature, but also prevents corrosion inside the engine. Low or degraded coolant leads to overheating, warped components, and gasket failure. Periodic checks and proper coolant replacement intervals are critical. Tire neglect is another indirect but serious mistake. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, strain suspension components, and affect braking performance. Over time, this puts additional load on the drivetrain. Proper tire pressure improves safety, efficiency, and mechanical longevity. Another major error is ignoring software updates. Modern vehicles are software-driven machines. Manufacturers release updates that improve engine management, transmission behavior, safety systems, and efficiency. Skipping these updates means driving a car that is literally less optimized than it could be. Always ask dealerships or check manufacturer apps for available updates. Now let's talk about aggressive driving when the engine is already stressed. Flooring the accelerator when the engine is overheating, low on oil, or showing warning signs dramatically increases damage. Power should never be demanded from a system that is already compromised. Listening to your car is one of the most important skills a driver can develop. A surprisingly common mistake is washing the engine bay incorrectly. High-pressure water can damage sensors, wiring, and electronic connectors. If engine bay cleaning is necessary, it must be done carefully, avoiding direct pressure on sensitive components. Many drivers also underestimate the importance of quality replacement parts. Cheap filters, low-quality brake components, and inferior fluids often cause more harm than good. Using manufacturer-approved or high-quality aftermarket parts protects long-term reliability. Now here are some lesser-known mistakes that almost no one mentions. Constantly driving in sport mode increases engine and transmission stress if used unnecessarily. Sport mode is designed for performance situations, not daily commuting. Another hidden issue is excessive idling. Long idling periods increase carbon buildup and reduce engine efficiency. Another critical but ignored factor is weight. Carrying unnecessary heavy items in the trunk increases engine load and fuel consumption over time. Reducing weight improves efficiency and reduces wear. Finally, here are the mistakes you absolutely must know. Ignoring strange noises. Ignoring vibrations. Ignoring changes in driving feel. Cars communicate problems long before failure. Those signals are often subtle, but they are always there. The solution to almost all of these mistakes is awareness. Driving smoothly, performing basic checks, respecting mechanical limits. Modern cars are incredibly advanced, but they still rely on proper human behavior to survive long-term. If you made it this far, here's a secret most people never hear. The best drivers are not aggressive or passive. They are precise. Precision driving reduces wear, improves safety, and saves money. Mechanics can always tell how a car has been treated, even without knowing the owner. And here's one last thing almost nobody tells you. Most catastrophic failures are predictable. They don't happen randomly. They happen because warnings were ignored, habits were repeated, and small problems were allowed to grow. If you want to keep your car reliable for years, start fixing these mistakes today. Subscribe for more real automotive knowledge, and comment below if you want a dedicated video about your specific car model or brand.